Alright, day 2, we're back here. We are finishing up the roll cage stuff for the roof and the windshield from the last video. What we're doing today to finish up the roofs, you guys saw that in the other video. Today we're doing these rib nuts, so that's where the windshield's going to bolt in the top corner. And then we're going to drill one more hole here for the bottom part of the windshield. And then these little guys here, those are for the mirrors, which are on this side over here. So I got done drilling these out, and these are the inserts here. So they're just threaded inside. That'll just push in there, and then I'll go in and I'll weld around the corners of that. Actually doing something here on his own cage. Look at those biceps working. That's how you gotta do the videos. I can hear something like you're like a little giggling. I'm like, I'm not even, no.
Nope, not even gonna go there.
Say hi to the camera.
Hi, camera.
What are you doing over here?
I am building and light bar brackets.
You're doing better than biceps over there. Hey Alex, why is he grinding the weld so much? Is it because he welded them? That's a yes, folks.
I did not weld them.
I didn't want to know. Jason just getting his mirror tabs all set. Yeah, that's definitely a lot better than those factory ones. That's for sure. Those are way better. How does it look?
It's not too bad if you want to look out the front window. You just gotta be over here, and then you go.
That handle is ideal, though. You're using the handle.
Yes, handle would be nice.
I'm not worried about his passengers. It's all about the looks.
Yeah, at this point, it's all about the looks. I don't really care what else is going on.
Good tops.
Oh, hey guys.
What are we doing?
Figuring out his face light and how he wants it to mount.
Duct tape.
Duct tape. Zip
Glue.
ties.
Lots of glue.
Lots of glue.
And now the moment we've been waiting for is here.